There is something nobody tells you when you first start building a personal brand, and at the beginning, you honestly have no idea what you are doing. My name is Abdennour, I'm 20 years old, and 12 months ago, I started posting content online without even understand what a personal brand actually was. I thought posting content meant copy what works, get views, get followers, and somehow clients would appear. So that's exactly what I did. I copied people in the space, tried different styles, different hooks, different edits, and for 2 months straight, I posted around 60 videos. But behind the scenes, I was completely lost because I wasn't build anything. I was just uploading content. No direction, no positioning, no real message, and no system. I didn't understand actually how content turned stranger into clients. And after 2 months, I quit. Not because content doesn't work, but because I was trying to build something without understanding the foundation first. Then I realized something: a personal brand isn't just posting videos online, it's building trust at scale. It's knowing who you talk to, what's problem you solve, and what people should believe about you, and how every piece of content moves someone closer to action. And honestly, most people don't fail because they are bad at content. They fail because they start posting content without even knowing the foundation first.